Hello there, Farm Beauty. It's your girl EuniyceMari here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about AHAs versus BHAs. Now, we talked about AHAs as far as like glycolics and things of that sort, but I don't think I've ever talked about BHAs on here and really compared the two. When building your skincare regimen or when looking into exfoliants, you're going to run across AHAs and BHAs. A lot of people have that question of what is the difference between them and how should I pick one or the other. What also influenced this video was that I did the review of the Pharmacy Deep Sweet BHA 2% BHA toner, and in that video I also was thinking to myself, like, I even low-key forgot like what a BHA was a little bit. So I feel like this would be a great refresher, not just for me, but for also knowledgeable for you guys out there that want to know the difference between the two and how you should determine which one you should use for your skin. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, take a moment and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share your girl with the world. We are almost at 10K subscribers. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. So make sure you turn on the post notification and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. Let's go ahead and jump into AHAs versus BHAs and how to know which one to use for your skin type. And when you come across them, what you should be looking for or what information you should know about them. So first of all, AHAs and BHAs are acids, okay? These are chemical exfoliants. We're gonna start off with AHAs and then we'll go into BHAs. Now, AHAs is an alpha hydroxy acid. It is water-soluble acid made from sugary fruits. AHAs are more surface level, so they do exfoliate more on the surface. They don't penetrate deep or anything, just surface work. AHAs are best for dry skin, and they also are great for scarring, as well as it improves moisture, so it's also great for dry skin. AHAs also do stimulate collagen production, and they exfoliate the surface of the skin, like I said before. Some typical AHAs that you are going to come across are glycolic acid, which you guys know is one of my my favorites, lactic acid, citric acid, mandelic acid, and tartaric acid. So now we're gonna jump into BHAs. BHAs are beta hydroxy acids, okay? BHAs, they do penetrate a little bit deeper, all right? They're not surface level. They penetrate deeper into the pores of the skin. BHAs are oil soluble, and a common BHA is salicylic acid. I think that's like the only BHA is salicylic acid. BHA is great for acne prone skin and oily skin because it gets down into those pores and it degunks the pores, but it pulls out all those nasty oils and dirt and bacteria out of the skin. BHAs are really great for you to use if you are acne prone, if you have oily skin. Those are great to use, okay? And of course, with any AHA, you want to make sure that you are using a sunscreen. So in a wrap, really quickly, a snapshot, it's really easy. The difference between AHA and a BHA is pretty much what it does, all right? AHAs are more surface level, BHAs are more deeper penetrating into the skin. AHAs are great for dry skin, moisture, collagen production, and scarring, okay? So it helps out with those surface scars. BHAs are better for acne prone skin and oily skin because it gets into those pores and it cleans out those pores, okay? So pretty much that is the difference with that. So when you're looking at BHAs versus AHAs, it's all about your skin type. Personally, for me, I use more AHAs. I love glycolic. It works for me, especially too with my acne scars. Glycolic acid is my best friend. So even though you would think because I'm acne prone, I would more so go for salicylic acid, as we all know, salicylic acid is not one of my favorites. I tend to have more of an issue with salicylic acid versus AHAs. But when it comes to scarring, I love AHAs. They work for me. So when you're thinking of your skin, if you're more dry skin, you want to go for an AHA. If you're more acne oily prone, you will want to lean towards more of a BHA. You can combine both. You can use both. You just want to be really mindful of how you're using them, because if you are acne prone, BHAs are good for degunking your pores and keeping that oil, you know, under control. But then that scar is left behind, and glycolic and AHA can come in and help to fade that scar away. So they can be used together in combination when it comes to certain skin types and certain skin concerns, but you do want to be mindful on how you are using them, how often, your skin type, all of that, okay? So that is a quick snapshot of AHAs and BHAs. I wanted it to be really simple and really to the point for anyone out there who just was looking for some simplicity information. And hopefully I gave that to you here. But with that being said, I will also leave all information about AHAs and BHAs down below, and also a few products AHA wise and BHA wise that I use that I love. More AHAs though, but they will all be down below in the description bar, so make sure you go and check that out for further information. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.